Friends, welcome to Salesforce CRM Analytics video session 24. So in today's video, we will actually further learn about the augment node, but today we will take a relatively simple example. Okay, uh, we will try to understand the augment node with the help of a CSV file. So I have one CSV file with me. Let me show you that. Mm, Give me a moment. So I have two CSV files over here. One is related to this one, or rather, let me open the account file. Okay, now here let's quickly walk through what are the information over here. I have three informations. Okay, the account ID, account name, and account location. So under account ID, as you can see, I have A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A7. The account name is quite similar. I've just appended AN, and there's a account location. Col means Kolkata, BLR means Bangalore, HYD means Hyderabad. So I have Kolkata, Bangalore, and Hyderabad location. Okay, now there is another CSV file which I have, which is this one. Okay, which is the off file where I have the opportunity ID, the opportunity name, opportunity location. Okay, I have the op amount and I have the op close date, as well as I have the account ID over here. Fine, as you can see. Now we will try to understand how this particular things work by taking the left as account, right as opportunity, and the left as opportunity, right as account. Okay. Also, you will get to understand via this Excel file that how we can upload CSV file. Okay. So firstly, go to Analytics Studio. Okay, this was the previous one. Let me close this. You have this create over here. Fine, you just go to data set. Okay, now one thing before doing anything, see this particular account file, right? If you see over here, if I hover over here, it is written as Microsoft Office Excel comma separated values file, which means it's in .csv format, right? So whenever you are saving any file, okay, let me close this. So whenever you save any file, right, always ensure it's under this format, that is the CSV format, okay, comma delimited, because you will be only able to upload the Excel files in CSV format in Einstein Analytics, okay? So let me do one thing. Let me go to create. I will go to CSV. And what I'm going to do here is I will upload the file. So I will go to download and I will just upload the account file, okay? Now, once this CSV is going to get uploaded. If I click on next, the app, I can make it as a shared app. That's fine. Okay. And this is the way it appears. App dataset name. This is the app I'm going to store this particular dataset. These are some file properties, which is fine. We usually don't play around with this until unless you're uploading which contains some special character and which needs to be played around. We actually go through this. Otherwise, we usually skip this part. Nothing much. Now I will click on next. Now here we have to be a little bit careful. Here, as you can see, everything is in dimension, okay? That is in text format, which is fine. But usually sometimes there could be certain measures which needs to be converted. So you have to be a little bit careful over here. Now I will just click on this option, upload file, okay? And here you get to see all the properties, which is fine. I am quite fine with the account ID, account name, account location. I will click on upload file. So this is going to get uploaded and we can always check it in the data monitor, but yeah, it always shows up over here as well. And then we can see one particular message. Okay. Fine. This dataset file has been created. And as soon as it is created, so I have this pop-up blocked over here. Okay. So if I just allow this pop-up, then it redirects me to that particular data set, okay, where it got created. I think I will upload another file at that time. You can see because my pop-up option was blocked. Okay, that's fine. Now again, I will click on CSV file. I will select the next one, which is my op file. Okay, now let me click on next. Again, let me just share it in my shared app. Next. Now these are the things: op ID, op name, op location. This app op amount, as you can see, it's in measure or answer is automatic to it, which is fine. Sometimes it may not take. You have to just change this field type, okay, if required. Fine. But yeah, for me it's fine. Everything. And let me click on upload file. Okay. Okay, this got uploaded. Now what I'm going to do is, so this is how it appears. Once you upload something, it shows you the complete details, the app name, the created by number of rows which are there, when it got created, when it got refreshed. Okay, all these particular things. It shows you the location as well as some security pretty good option, which is fine. Okay, it opens in a particular separate tab in Salesforce itself. That's amazing. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, over here I have this free session 5. Let me open this data flow. And what I'm going to do is I will upload this now. You remember, as I walked through, I think in our initial sessions, that when it comes to data flow, right? We usually, when we upload any .csv file, okay, we have to take it in ℜ_mart. We have to take this ℜ_mart node. So let me name it as account file, and the data set will also be account file. Okay, let me search with it. Yeah, this is the one, account file. Fine. And I will take one more ℜ_mart node where this will be opportunity file. So as I explained you, whenever you're uploading in .csv file, the node which you have to take on the data flow is ℜ_mart node. Okay, or there could be any existing data set as well. Like let's say you created some data set via recipe or data flow. That part also you can take as an ℜ_mart node. Okay, the data set again will be here of file. Let me click on create. Now the first operation what I'm going to do is, which I did previously as well, I will take the augment node. Okay, and let me write over here augment. Let me take the left source as opportunity file. The left key will be account ID. In both the cases, the common key, if you see, so in account, I have this account ID, and also in off file, I have this account ID, which is common. Okay. So the relationship will be op. My right source will be, and the right source will be nothing but my opportunity file. Okay. And my right key will be again over here, account ID. Okay. My right fields, let's say I take op name. Okay. I take op location. I take op amount, as well as I take op close date. Okay, let me click on create. Now I will just create a data set. Okay, and we'll write over here. Source node will be this one. Alias, let me put in the same name. Also, it's same. I can skip the underscore. Let me click on create. Okay, so that's how it's done. And in augment, I have to take, I haven't taken this one. Uh, Opportunity file. Okay, I have taken the opportunity file. It should be account file. Okay, this should be account file, and right, it will be name and location. Okay, and sorry, yeah, right key will be account ID. Okay, and right fix will be location and name. Okay, and now let me click on save, propagate. Let me update. Fine, and let me run the data. Monitor this. Okay, guys, so this ran successfully. Okay, so now before seeing the data set, let's try to understand what we are exactly going to see. So definitely there are 7 records, right? So the 7 records is something I will be seeing. Okay, now what are the things I'm going to see from my account side? Fine. So firstly, I have to check this ID. For example, this is A1, right? So for A1, I already have AN1, right? So definitely I'm going to see AN1, isn't it? Okay, then I have A3. Okay, so I will see. So this is from account side I'm seeing, huh? From account side, because it's on my right. Okay, I will see AN1. I will also see AN3. Okay, which is there. Okay, then I will see Then I will see this one is A2, A4, right? I have A2, A4 as well. Then there is A6. A6 I don't have, right? A6 I don't have. I have again A1 and A2. So I will see AN2. Okay. I will see AN4. I will see AN1 and I will again see AN2. Okay. So AN1 will occur two times, AN2 two times, AN3 and AN4. I don't have AN6, so I won't see AN6 from my right side. Okay. Now let's check it on our data set. Okay. So let me copy this name and let me search over here. Why it's not coming? Let me try once again. Okay, this came right now. Now, as you can see here, as I told you, there will be 7. Okay. And now let's see what are the account name which we have. So I have brought in the, okay, this should be actually account. Fine. I have written op. It's a mistake. But as you can see here, we have two account, right? Two account from AN1, two from AN2, and that's what we were doing over here as well. This is the account part, isn't it? And from AN3, A4, we have 1. Okay. And we don't see any account from AN6 because ultimately it's not there. Fine. So definitely we have got this. Okay. 7 records. And that's the purpose of taking left as opportunity, right as account. And one mistake which I did here is here I should give the name as ACC. Okay. Let me give the name as ACC. Fine, because the right side is my account. But anyways, we will run this. This is just to ensure we see the proper names. But otherwise, as you can see the results, that's what is did when we take left as opportunity and right as account. Okay. So yeah, this is one of the examples of this CSV, and we will walk through the CSV in our next session. And yeah, we will try to just understand in details about this concept of, how this lookup single value, lookup multiple value works, and what's the thing we have to take on left source, right source, and how it basically exactly works out. Okay. So yeah, that's it about this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Okay.